I'm supposed to do my hair today, and it's about to be 12:30. It's already late. I haven't done my hair in so long that I'm trying to mentally prepare myself for this journey. The last time that I retwisted my hair in its entirety was November of 2021. It's September 2022. It's been 10 months. I can't believe I haven't retwisted my hair in 10 months in its entirety. As you can see, like, I just like touch up the rows a little bit, but the back needs help. I know that I said that I wanted to post more consistently, but 2022 was a hard year for me, so it's actually really not an excuse. I was going through a lot. I managed to overcome it, but now I've entered another busy season in my life. I had to take some time off because I was studying for graduate school, and I didn't touch upon this in any of the videos that I posted because I'm really big on not trying to jinx myself, but it ended up working out. So that's great. I'm going to school part-time, but I'm working full-time in my normal career. So life has just, you know, really been lifing.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel so bad for you. Are you okay?
It's Labor Day weekend and I have an extra day or so, so I'm like, let me do my hair. Conditioner. I'm sure you guys are like, you're using conditioner? I thought you said that you don't use conditioner. That's true. I actually don't use conditioner at all, but I'm feeling spicy. I want to try doing something different, so I'm gonna try the conditioner in my hair. I was in the store and the color of the conditioner, it spoke to me, so I'm going to try it. And also too, it's for chemically processed hair. My hair is colored, so I figured why not try it out. And my hair looks darker on camera like this. So I do want to say the conditioner, I will probably never do that again because I rinsed out my hair and there's like residue left on top of my locks, and this is the reason why I don't use conditioner. It's not something that's easy to wash out. Anyways, I've never done this style before. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to start off by sectioning the hair. Section this off. I'm gonna do like a demo of the back, do one twist here at the side so y'all can see what I'm doing, and then I'll come back with the finished results. As you can see here in the back, I retwisted these two locks. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to 2-strand twist them all the way down. I'm just going to stop here, pull one of the locks up and start twisting it against the bottom, like so. I'm going to take the other bottom lock and tie the bottom. I'm gonna do a few and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see how things progress. I'm gonna be very honest. I really have no idea how these are gonna come out. Like, I don't even want to say that I'm trying to do a bob because look, this one is very long. I'm just really winging it. I will come back when I'm practically done with my hair and I'll show you guys like what I end up doing with the front. Okay guys, so let's get into this tutorial. After you have 2-strand twisted 2 locks, halfway down, you're going to be left with some locks that have not been twisted. You're going to take the end pieces of that lock and simply wrap it up your 2-strand twist going towards the root of your scalp. So you're just twisting this excess lock against the twist, and once you have secured that lock in, you're going to take a rubber band and secure it again to make sure that it doesn't come out.
Then you'll be left with a loose lock, and you're going to have to take that lock and wrap it around the base of the knot that you've created. So you're just going to take that hair and twine it around, and once you have twined it around fully, you're going to take a rubber band and secure it in place to ensure that it doesn't unravel. Easy as can be.
Oh, oops. Okay, if I let it out, it's not that bad. But I would have really liked it if I could have. Let me get dressed up and come back and talk to you guys. We got something going on here. Okay, and she cute. She doesn't look bad. When I first envisioned this hairstyle, I thought I was gonna go for like a bob type of thing. But as I was doing it, I was like, I kind of really don't know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna wing it. If I really wanted a bob, I would have had to make the back shorter. It's a little uneven, but I think for my first attempt, I don't think it's bad. In fact, I think she's really cute. I do wish that I had like a pin, maybe? Yeah, like a pin. I found some, and the big ones too, the big boys. Yeah, I feel like one pin is fine. Yeah, she doesn't look bad. I'm pretty happy with how this hairstyle turned out. It's 10:15, guys, and I started at 2, but that's what I get for starting so late. I was supposed to start at 8. I'm really happy with how the hairstyle came out. Would I do it again? Yes, but I would probably have a professional do it because, as I've been saying for the upteenth time, I'm tired of doing my hair. It just takes a lot out of me. But I mean, I do save some cash by being able to do my hair myself, but it's just a lot. It's an all-day thing. And as someone who works like the average person, you want your weekends to yourself. So I don't really think that this is something that I'm gonna do. What really prompted me to doing my hair was because, like I said, it's been 10 months since I retwisted my hair in its entirety, so just wanted to try something different. I really like the style, but yes, if you've managed to make it this far, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the feedback, I appreciate the support, and I'll catch you in the next one.